So let's take a quick look at the Place Smart Chip in Google Sheets. So quickest way to add one is by typing @ and then either the address or the name of a place that you would like to add, and then you can simply click to add it to your Google Sheet. Another way you can add one is by right-clicking on a cell, go to Smart Chips and Place, and then you again can type for a place and add it just like that as well. And then the final way is by clicking on cell and then insert from the menu, Smart Chips, and Place just like that again. So let me go ahead and add the White House here, and then let's look at what we can get from this. So this Smart Chip has a link here as well, but you can go in any other cell, click equals, back to that cell, hit period, and then you can extract that URL in case you need it in a different cell. Now, if you're using a table, you can actually add this as a column type. Click on that drop down on the right hand side, edit column type, Smart Chips, and then we can go down to place. And then you can click on one of these and get the same result and add a place just like that. And then you can add another place to the same cell by double clicking, clicking @ and then typing the name of the building, and then you can select it there as well, hit enter, and then you have them both in there. And then if you have more than one in a cell and you need to delete one, double click, select the one you want to delete, hit backspace or delete, enter, and then there you go. All right, so that is it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.